Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll show you how to add family member and set limits on ChatGPT. On your phone, open ChatGPT application. Now open this menu in the top left and now tap your profile icon. Now you want to scroll down until you see app settings and select parental controls. Now you want to tap add family member and then enter information about your family member. If you want to invite them by email or phone number, and also select if this person is my parent or my child. After this, you want to press this send button in the top right corner of your screen, and after your family member is connected, you can for example filter content safety, or you can turn on or turn off save in memory. So if you don't want your child ChatGPT account to save information from their conversations, you can disable that, or vice versa, you can turn that on, and some other features. So that's it, that's how it works. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you, please leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next one.